Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 13th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and I'm on the daily time frame to start with. Because on the daily is where you can really see that this is potentially a complete three-way pullback to the last five waves up. If it is a complete three-way pullback, it will go up and it will take out the previous highs. Now, there's a possibility that this is going to turn into more of a complex pattern like a three three pattern or possibly even like a 3-3-5 pattern like that. Definitely possible, and we should be able to recognize that if that's how it goes. But for now, I am definitely trading this on sort of time frames like it's going to go up and potentially make new highs, at least until the market tells me otherwise. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, unfortunately, there's definitely no entry now. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long right now at the top of a potential five-wave move right here. I would only be going long on pullbacks. And right now, my structure is way down here, so if it goes down and breaks that structure, then I'll definitely start looking for shorts. If it doesn't, instead it just makes three-way pullbacks and then continues up, I will just continue to enjoy this trend and I will continue to go long every single chance I get. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.